Hi, today I'm making French toast. I start with 2 eggs, and I actually put those eggs on a plate because it's easier for dipping. 3 slices of bread, a tablespoon of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of both nutmeg and cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of oil, and a 1/4 cup of whole milk. I also set aside a tablespoon of powdered sugar. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix my eggs and the brown sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg into the eggs, as well as start to heat my pan by using the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla to my egg mixture, and I'm going to mix it well. That's important. You want everything well mixed. And then I'm going to dip my bread in, and just slightly on both sides because you don't want it to be soggy. And so if you leave it in there too long, it gets soggy and makes it harder to cook through. I'll lay those 2 slices of bread on my pan and brown them on both sides. They start looking like French toast. When they're done, I sprinkle them with powdered sugar, and then I serve with warm maple syrup. Sometimes I also have melted butter if you like that as well. And that is my French toast.